Hi everyone, I'm Jonna Marie and welcome to my channel. For this week's video, I decided to give you guys some ideas on types of weekly spreads. Maybe you're someone who likes to change it up every week and you're looking for some inspiration on a new kind of weekly spread. Or maybe you're someone who wants to settle down on one type of weekly spread, but you just haven't found that perfect spread yet. Well, hopefully this video will inspire you and give you some ideas on weekly spreads to suit your planning needs. If you like this type of content and you'd like to see more of it in the future, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. It would really help out a lot as I'm currently on 8 subscribers, to whom I'm very grateful. Hi Mom. But it would be awesome for me to get to my goal of just 20 subscribers before the end of May. So if you'd like to support me, please leave a like on this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into 5 types of weekly spreads. The first spread is what I like to call the detail-oriented weekly spread. I fit 2 days on each page by dividing the page in half, and each day basically consists of a to-do list and a timetable or schedule.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
So how I use this is I write down everything I need to do for that day, and then I schedule everything or almost everything into the timetable. This makes me so much more productive and it prevents me from being unrealistic with how much I want to get done within that day.
Together, it's so beautiful, you and me.
You can decorate this spread however you want. My usual go-to is a box around the name of the day with a drop shadow.
Forever free.
The next spread we're going to be doing is the accomplishment weekly spread, plus a timetable. It's very similar to the previous spread where you divide the page into 2 and you have a daily to-do list and schedule. However, with this spread, you also have an accomplished section where you can write down small or big things that you've accomplished or got done that day. It can be as small as washed the dishes or made a nice breakfast or called a friend. This prevents you from feeling like you've done nothing productive that day when you look at your unfinished to-do list at the end of the day. It also helps with positivity and productivity.
Forever free, you and me, meant to be in the great outdoors. Forever free.
This next spread is what I like to call the task divider. With this spread, you're able to see your whole week on 2 pages. I divide each page into 4 boxes, leaving spaces for the week names. I use the box in the top left corner to write all the tasks I want to get done that week. Then I schedule them into the days of the week. This prevents me from trying to fit too many tasks in one day and really helps to spread out the tasks and make it more manageable. The next spread is another accomplishment spread, but without the schedule. This one also fits on 2 pages, so you can see the whole week at once. I divide each page into 3 sections. For this spread, instead of having separate sections for Saturday and Sunday, I combine them into a weekend section. So this spread would be very nice if you're someone who has a bit less tasks to do on the weekend. In each daily section, I have a to-do list and an accomplished list. The fifth and final spread is what I like to call the Goalsetter weekly spread. This is another spread where you have the whole week on 2 pages, and it also incorporates a weekend section instead of a Saturday and Sunday section. For the left page, you're going to divide it in half, and the right section of that page you divide in half again horizontally. For the right page, you also divide it in half, but then you divide the whole page in half again horizontally. In the far left section, we are going to have 3 sections, namely the week's task list, your goals for the week, and a mini weekly habit tracker. Each of the other blocks is for each day of the week. And there you have 5 types of weekly spreads. I've used all of these spreads sometime in my bullet journaling journey. Bullet journaling journey. The type of spread I used really depended on the type of season I was in. When I was at university, I usually used the detail-oriented or the accomplishment spreads. When on vacation, I often use the task divider because I don't have so many things to do and I don't have to schedule it in such detail. And now, working from home, I use the Goalsetter Spread just to keep myself on track and to remind myself to keep reaching for goals and improving myself by learning new and better habits. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like. And also comment down below which one of these weekly spreads are your favorite. And if you're going to create one of these, please tag me on Instagram when you post it. It would also help me so much if you can subscribe to my channel and help me reach my goal of 20 subscribers before the end of May. That's it from me for now, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye!